Hey guys, Marc here, and I have some really big news concerning Art School, my complete art education program for digital artists. For those that have Art School already, you can completely disregard this this video, but for those that don't and are interested in it, well, today is a pretty big day. So today marks the 1 year anniversary for me starting this whole project. So believe it or not, I've been working on this for an entire year so far. So it's been a pretty crazy ride. So when I announced this at the very beginning, you know, I didn't have much really, but now I'm about to release term 6 out of 10. So we're getting there, you know, a couple more months and this is going to be all wrapped up. There's a ton of content. There's assignments for every single class, and also for the last 18 weeks, and this is going to be ongoing, I have been running weekly live streams for the students. And so this is an opportunity for the students to interact, you know, directly with me, the instructor, and also get their assignments reviewed in front of everyone so that everybody else that is watching can also benefit from the feedback. And so like I said, I've been doing this for 18 weeks so far. It's been pretty awesome, and the progress that I've seen in those short 18 weeks has been absolutely insane. And so if you haven't already, you know, I highly recommend that you check out the weekly streams. I post them here on YouTube every single week, so you can actually check those out. But the whole point of this video was to announce a very short sale to celebrate. And so what I'm going to do is starting right now actually, the art school course, so the full package is going to be 40% off. So this is a huge chunk that is taken out of the usual price, and this is not going to last long. So I'm only going to be running this sale for 3 days. So starting today, Wednesday, all the way until Friday of this week, and then that's it. So there you have it. Once again, you know, this project has been an insane roller coaster. It's been I've never spent this much work on anything so far in my life other than my kids and my marriage. So if you're not sure about this, you know, definitely go ahead and check out the comments, check out the forums on QBrush that you can actually see, you know, how the students are doing, and ask for their feedback, you know, what they think of the course. Like I said, there's over 2,000 of them, so there's plenty of people to ask if you're not sure. But I am 100% sure that you will definitely benefit a ton from this class. This is my best course so far. It's the most complete course that I'll ever make. And if this is maybe not for you, but you think of somebody that you know, a friend or a family member that might be interested in something like this, let them know about this sale. Again, it's only going to be 3 days, starting today, all the way to Friday, September 28th at 11:59 Pacific time. Now, I guarantee you that you will never ever find something that has more value than this for the money, but even more surprising in a way, there's nothing else like this out there. So you won't be able to find a complete course like this, tackling all the different classes, all the different topics that a digital artist would need to be successful and have a successful career. So I highly recommend that you check it out. I wasn't 100% sure at the very beginning. You know, the project expanded as I went along, but now, you know, 60% in, I can really say that this is a really objectively speaking solid course, and I'm extremely proud of it. Thank you so much if you do check it out, or if you share this with someone that you think might be interested again. That's all for me today. I'll see you guys next time.